Good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm very happy to meet you all again in the second quarter IIC Council meeting. So here in this meeting, the agenda is about, we are going to discuss about the review of first quarter activities and what we are going to proceed with second quarter. These are the things that we are going to discuss in this council meeting. Am I audible, ma'am? Can anyone please confirm this?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Yes, yes,
audible.
ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Thank you, madam. Thank you. So, in the second quarter meeting, before going to the second quarter council meeting, I wish to thank each and everyone who are here for helping me to get 3.5 star rating. Actually, this was a great thing that was achieved by our team in the previous academic year 2020-21. I wish to wholeheartedly thank each and everyone for your wholehearted support for getting this 3.5 star rating for our institution innovation council. ஏன்னா நம்ம ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்டிவிட்டியும் ஃபுல் ஃப்ளெஜ்டாக இறங்கி பண்ணி அதை அப்லோட் பண்ணி பண்ணதுனால மட்டும்தான் we can able to achieve this 3.5. Actually, I wish to share how this 3.5 star rating has been achieved and what is the weightage of the marks given for each and every activity. So this is the performance card which was given to us in the year 2020-21. Actually, in 2020-21, we our institution innovation council was established at the end of February only, that is at the end of second quarter. February onwards the second quarter comes to end and third quarter start begins from March. So at that stage only we established this institution innovation council in our institution. So we started our first quarter in the previous academic year 2021 on 27th February only. So we had completed all our tasks in these two quarters, that is quarter 3 and quarter 4 in the academic year 2021. So you see here, this is the rating performance which was given by the MHRD. So for IIC calendar activities, actually they had taken all the 4 quarters. Out of that, only the marks has been assigned to us. In our college, from quarter 3 and quarter 4, we achieved 55.56 cumulative points here. And in MIC means MHRD driven activities. Actually, in first two quarters, they had given many hackathons, toycons, etc. But we had not participated in those things because we had not yet established in those periods. So this MIC driven activity score is nil in the previous year 2020-21. And self-driven activities, as the all departments helped me to have an activity relating to entrepreneurship, intellectual property rights, and innovation. So I had added few activities in as a self-driven activities in IIC portal. For that, we scored 6.67. For this, I wholeheartedly thank each and every department for helping me to upload the self-driven activities in IIC portal. Thank you all. So the total score of is about 62.222. Then you see here the effective score range for star allocation from quarter 1 to quarter 4 is given here. This is our 5-star performance rate. Actually, this year, due to pandemic, they had given only 4 stars. Out of 4 stars, we secured 3.5. The 5th star range is about this. So you see the second tabular column given in this presentation. So we achieved 3.5. The point 0.5 as we missed here because of not entered earlier by our institution in the IIC portal. முன்னாடி நம்ம போகாத ஒரே reason தான், if we are with the first quarter onwards, means surely we can also able to achieve this 4 rating. So these are the points they had given for us for the last 2 quarters, that is reward points earned. The weightage is given as 30, we scored only 5 because of only 2 quarters we entered. Submission of annual report we had submitted, but they had not considered anything. Then participation in innovation ambassador training program, 8 members had enrolled and nearly out of 10, 8 members has attended the online training program. For that we scored the total marks of 10 here. Shortlisted students innovation teams. So we had not in this period, that is this contest was announced in quarter 2. Actually, we are not there. So our score is 0 here. Participation hosting of TOEICON. Here also we are not in IIC. So the score here also 0. Participation in National Innovation Policy and then ARII Atal ranking. In these two, I had submitted some data. So for that, we scored the maximum 10 points. The Innovation Ambassador from IIC institution has engaged as a mentor. Actually, now only we, in the year 2021 onwards, our college having 8 innovation ambassadors. In previous year, we don't have such innovation ambassadors in our institution. So here also the score is 0. Actually, this year, 8 members out of 8, 6 members has taken in-house trainings, 2 in-house trainings and 2 external trainings. For this, surely the next academic year we'll have a score of 10 in this innovation ambassador training part also. So the total marks we achieved in the previous year is 35. And then this is about the weightage. All staff must know about this weightage of all the 4 quarters. For the IIC annual calendar plan, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 is divided as 12.5 each. Out of the total score is 50. The total activities that we have to complete, at least the minimum activities that we have to complete is 9. 3 is minimum for each quarter. So on the whole, the 9 has to be completed. Some apart from the mandatory, we have to complete the 9 activities. The score for one activity is about 5.56 here. So if we upload the related documents as required by the MHRD, then surely we can able to get 5.56 for each activity. And self-driven activities, this was 7.5 for each quarter. On the whole, we have to complete at least 9 activities. Almost 5 departments has conducted the self-driven activities, and that was uploaded in the portal in the first quarter. Now we are at the end of the first quarter and at the beginning of the second quarter. In first quarter, 3 activities of other departments has been uploaded as self-driven activities in IIC portal. So for that, for each activity, we can have a score of 3.33. And MIC driven activities, 5 marks for each activity, and total will have 20 marks, and threshold at least we have to attend out of 50, 20, we have to attend at least 8 activities. We have to participate in 8 MIC driven activities. This is not, but they'll give a link to us, and we have to participate in that event that was given by the MHRT, and some screenshots has to be uploaded, and report generated out of that has been uploaded in the IIC portal. So for that, we'll score marks. So on the whole, for each activity, we'll have 2.5 rating. Then total score is 100%. Threshold activities on the whole of 3, that is IIC, self-driven and MIC. On the whole, in an academic year, we have to complete at least 26 activities. This is at least not mandatory. Here in this 26, the mandatory activities is not included. So apart from mandatory, we have to complete at least 26 activities in the academic year 21 and 22. So these are the first quarter activities. In this, actually, we had skipped 3 activities because of time constraints. You see, the first activities is about startup. Here, activity name is developing online repository of ideas developed and way forward plan. The mode of conduct may be of online or physical. 1 day should be conducted. This is an elective, not mandatory. This is an elective. Minimum 20 students and faculty participation. Maximum possible participation of faculty must be there in each and every activity. So here we are missing. Actually, here we are missing a lot. And the description about the activities given here, actually, this was not done. And second thing is about innovation. Activity name is exposure and field visit for problem identification. For this, we organized in a virtual field trip. Actually, we inquired 2 or 3 TBIs. Nobody has given consent for direct visit. Due to pandemic, they will not allow us to have a direct visit, physical visit of technology business incubators. So we have a plan that we can go for the virtual field visit. So Bannariamman Institute of Technology Business Incubators have given an option to go for a virtual field visit. So by way of that, we had conducted this program through online. Actually, the mode of conduct is given here physical, but we had mentioned that in a report that due to pandemic that this program was organized as a virtual mode. Then third one is about session on panel discussion, maybe online or physical, 1 day elective. Then organize one half-day session on problem-solving ideation workshop. The session should mainly focus on innovation methodology, brainstorming, and ideation sessions. In each and every activity, we have to use this IIC logo, session plan, vouchers, and this activity has to be uploaded in the portal in time. These are all common descriptions for all the activities normally. So this activity also missed in the first quarter. And this activity was conducted, entrepreneurship activity was organized in the first quarter. That is My Story Motivation Session by Successful Entrepreneur. 2 My Story Motivation sessions were organized in online mode, and 1 in offline and 1 in online mode. And minimum participants is only 20, but we had nearly 200 participations. And faculty maximum possible participation should be there. They had given some source link also in this activity. So we can also have an idea to view on this YouTube link, and we have to go follow on that mode. So this activity was completed in first quarter. And this is also another activity in first quarter, that is entrepreneurship, workshop on entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunity. This was also conducted. And now from this onwards, the second quarter activity starts. Here the theme is innovation. Here also we have to organize my story motivation session by successful innovators, either in online or offline mode. And one day session has to be organized. This is an elective. So we should not say that it is an elective. At least we have to complete 3 electives in each quarter. So this can be done by ourselves. This is possible for us. So we can easily identify the innovators, and with the help of them, we can organize either a session in online or offline mode, and we can upload the activities as such. So the description is given here. In this motivation session, the session should mainly focus on idea generation and implementation, how to overcome the challenges and set targeted goals. So as usual, we have to use IIC logos, and YouTube link has to be submitted, and brochures, documents, report has to be submitted with 5 minimum photographs, and speakers details. Everything has to be uploaded in the portal after completion of the program, within 3 days after completion of the program. Then the second one is about innovation. Here, developing online repository of proofs of concepts developed and way forward plan. So for this programs only, actually we have a plan to go for the innovation hub. So AIC RISE, there is an institution which is in Coimbatore. They have given consent to start an innovation hub in our college. We had signed the MOU with that AIC RISE, and for 1 year they had service charge is about 50,000. That was also transferred. There is a chance to establish that innovation hub in our institution in the next week, maybe in the next week, that is after model examination. We have a plan to inaugurate that innovation hub in our institution. So with the help of them, that we can go for this developing online repository programs. So here also maximum student participation and faculty participation should be there. And the next one is about innovation. This is also a POCs, that is proof of concept, should be developed here. So here IEDP has given consent to give 16 hours training to group target audience, that is each group which contains 50 students. They'll give training, 16 hours training for each group. By means of training, the students will have a good idea, means that the ideas of the students will be connected with the investors and venture capitalists, and the ideas will get patent and funding opportunities will be provided to those students. By means of that, they'll come up with a patent. So these are the ways that we have to complete this task. This can be done only with the help of those institutions, that is technology business incubator centers or some other institutions which are helping us to connect with investors. Then the next one is about, this is also an innovation and second activity, which is also relating to innovation. Here also we have to pitching the event for POCs developed and linkage with innovation ambassadors for mentorship support. Here we have to organize an event with the help of innovation ambassadors from IIC portal. We have to pick an innovation ambassadors list from IIC portal. By means of that, we can have a session relating to innovation. That is 1 day session we have to organize. Here we have to concentrate only a minimum student participation, because the idea has to reach the students well, and by means of that ideas, they have to come up with a product. So these things we have to organize in this second quarter. And then a field visit has to be planned. As this is in process. Actually, we have a plan to go for technology business incubators in Salem. We have a plan in that. So maybe in January, we'll go for this field visit to pre-incubation centers. And then entrepreneurship, an orientation program or workshop has to be organized based on entrepreneurship skill, attitude, and behavioral development. As usual, minimum 20 students and faculty. In all the activities, actually, in this academic year, please notice, friends, here are all the activities which needs a maximum faculty participation. They required only 20 students, a minimum 20 or more than that. But here they are, in each and every activity, they underlined clearly that a maximum faculty participation should be there. So I request you all, please be cooperate with all the activities. If you get entered into the advertisements, then only the activity will get weightage, then only we can able to score marks. By means of simply conducting activities, not at all enough. So as they required, as by MHRD requirement, we have to fulfill the participation. And at the same time, we have to fulfill the report generation and all the details that was required by the MHRD. Otherwise, surely the marks will not be scored. We cannot able to get maximum score in this academic year. So the next one is about an innovation. Here an expert talk has to be arranged, has to be organized based on process of innovation development and technology readiness level, TRL, commercialization of lab technologies and tech transfer. So here in this case, I request the science department to think of about this expert talk on these areas. So I request all the coordinators of IIC cell, you please go through of these ideas. I'll post this PPT in the group also. If you can have any idea regarding these activities and you'll have a plan on these activities, please get in touch with me. We'll have a chance to exhibit that in our institution. So everybody has to take part in the execution of these activities. One on myself cannot able to execute all the things. So I request each and everyone to think of the activities, and if you have a good plan regarding the execution of these activities, we can have a tie-up with your department that can be shown as your department activity also. Unga department activity ஆவும் IIC activity ஆவும் association கூட காமிச்சிக்கலாம். But we have to complete this task as such. Complete பண்ணியே ஆகணும். They are not expecting that IIC has to do all these things. This has been done by the college. That is the main thing here. So I request the coordinators to go through of all these activities. In case if you have a good idea on any one of these activities, means please discuss with your department HODs and you come up with an idea. We can execute this activity in association with our institution innovation council. So here some YouTube links is also given. Please make a copy of this YouTube link and you can go through the videos that was given in this YouTube channel. And based on that, we have to organize these activities before February. So this second quarter starts from December, January, February. These are the 3 months that was given for the completion of this second quarter activities. So I request all to take this matter as very serious and think of these activities. If you have a good plan regarding these activities, please be started working on that and we can complete these tasks. At least minimum 3 activities has to be completed before February 20. Then only we can able to upload all the activities within this grace period of 7 days. That is last week of February. So then another activity is about innovation regarding workshop on design thinking, critical thinking and innovation design. Here also a YouTube link is given here for how to organize those activities. And this activity has to be organized for 1 day. And then you please think like this, either which students are available for us, either first year, second year, third year, use that students as a participants and we can complete our task. And the next, this is the main thing. This is going to be celebrated on tomorrow. That is National Energy Conservation Day. Some days, commemorative days was listed in the IIC portal that has to be celebrated. And we are going to gain marks for that activity celebration also. So tomorrow is the National Energy Conservation Day. With the help of Physics Department, we are going to organize this National Energy Conservation Day on tomorrow. 5 department students is going to participate in this event. That is biochemistry, biotech, physics, maths and science departments is going to participate in this Energy Conservation Day celebration. In this day, 1 hour talk will be given by the Professor Michael Madam from Karunya Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, based on energy conservation. And again, as activity, actually this has to be conducted for 1 day. So we have a plan to have an PPT session in the afternoon. So we gave a theme to the students. I'll post that link in our group also. We'll give a theme to our students. The students has to prepare for a presentation based on those themes. They have to present that in the link. The first 3 best presenters will be honored. So this is the way that we have planned for celebrating this National Energy Conservation Day on tomorrow. So thanks for participating. So if you have any doubts regarding this, means please share your views. So one thing I request you all, dear friends, all the staff members has to think of this activity and I need your holistic contribution to execute these activities in this quarter. So simply by listening and simply by saying yes for the duty allotted is not at all enough for IIC activities. So I need each and everybody to think of these activities and come with some plan and we have to execute this before February and we'll have a great responsibility because that already we had achieved 3.5 rating. So at least we have to retain that and either go for the hike. The next academic year will be go for 5-star rating only. In that we have to achieve that 5-star. There is no other go for us because our college management has believed us and gave 50,000 rupees for establishing that innovation hub also. So they are given all rights to us to execute all these activities. So kindly understand and we cooperate to execute all these activities in the second quarter. I request staff members to please share your views. Ma'am, please, can anyone speak? நிறைய activities சொன்னேன். If you have any idea with you or if you want to suggest anything, please share in this portal. Ma'am, actually, I'm audible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do you think about these activities? Is there any action plan? Do you have any suggestions to execute these things? Please share those things, ma'am. Okay, madam, no problem. I'll post this PPT in our group. You please go through these activities. And if you have any suggestion, means please post in group or either personally you post to my WhatsApp number. We'll have a discussion and we can execute that program as well. And I'll give the attendance form in the ரிசப்ஷன் டேபிள் பிரின்சிபல் சாருக்கு முன்னாடி ஜெகன் டேபிளில் அட்டண்டன்ஸ் ஷீட் வச்சிடறேன். நீங்கள் ஈவினிங் தம் வைக்கும்போது மறக்காமல் அந்த அட்டண்டன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் சைன் பண்ணீங்க. ஏன்னா எவ்ரி கவுன்சில் மீட்டிங் அட்டண்டன்ஸ் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அந்த கவுன்சில் மீட்டிங் அட்டண்டன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம அப்லோட் பண்ணணும். ரெசல்யூஷன் பாஸ் பண்ணி அந்த ரெசல்யூஷன்ஸும் அப்லோட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஐ ரெக்வஸ்ட் ஆல் த ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் டு சைன் இன் தி அட்டண்டன்ஸ் ஷீட். அது ஜெகன் டேபிளில் நான் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் வச்சுட்டு ஒரு 3 o'clock கொண்டு போய் வச்சுறேன். நீங்கள் ஈவினிங் தம் வைக்கும்போது நீங்கள் வந்து சைன் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுங்க. Any other suggestions, madam?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Thank you for joining. You may leave the meet now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.